sa left side. Ako! Kasama naman! Grabe! Okay, at least mabango.
Yeah!
Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1! Skirt!
Alright. I think that's one more?
Huwag mo yung parang meron pa.
Meron pa yan.
3, 2, 1, isa!
Fair enough.
Ako, B+. Ganun.
Yeah.
Dito rated. So, gana. Kaya kayo mag-A+? Kaya?
A+.
Ready?
Malakas. 3, 2, 1! I think we have a winner.
Gusto ko yung parang wave. Gusto ko yung wave.
Wave daw, sabi niya ni Jazz.
Ready? Parang masika.
Ganon.
Masika.
Let's do it.
Ready? 3, 2, 1! Ayaw nila eh. Sige. Move on na lang. Napakagaling mo naman. Ano yung second song? First time.
Best I Love You. Dapat, pero hindi sila nakasettle para maramdaman nila na special at parang sila.
Ganyan pala. So, when are you gonna release that? I'm gonna
Hindi pa natin alam. Baka
ano ba yan? Puro secret.
right timing, right?
Right timing.
Bukas?
Bukas na. So, before we continue, we'd really like to thank you. Ay, dapat Tagalog. Sabi nila sa akin, dapat Tagalog. Gusto namin
Gusto ko namin magpasalamat sa lahat ng aming Honeys, 1 for Trees, Bullets, and Vixies for coming for this wonderful event sa Fan Fusion! Yeah!
Yes! Syempre, it's a special day today. Happy Father's Day.
Yeah.
And syempre, happy Father's Day to the father of Cornerstone, Sir Eric Raymond! Nagpakagulapo naman! Yes! Wait! Nagustuhan niyo masyado yung pagmura ko. Ayoko! Nandito ka na! Buka na tayo! Yung susunod! Ay! One time lang yan.
Pero alam ko, meron pang madaming performances later.
Oo, tama.
Yes, my love.
Baka maraming mura mamaya. Charot.
Vision! Pero alam ko for this next performance na kakaroon tayo, focus-stopping performance.
Oh, hindi lang focus-stopping, pero heart-stopping.
Heart-stopping?
Pero,
nanonood sila.
Oh, chill lang kayo ha. Baka kailangan nyo mag-nood pa bago Okay. Okay.
Ready na tayo?
Let's go.
1, 2, 3. Yes, my